How to connect SQL database with VS Code. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your VS Code. After that, in this section, in this menu bar, you will see an option of database. Simply tap on it and then tap on this plus icon to add a connection. Now, all you have to do is fill this form and enter your database type or server type. For MySQL, simply select MySQL, then enter your host, username, your database, and your password as well. After that, simply tap on this connect icon, and if it is authenticated, it will be connected automatically. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like my YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.